Well, as the saying goes, the early bird gets the worm, the early photographer gets the bird. So that's what I'm here today. It is freezing cold right now, at least for this Southern California Sunbelt dweller. Stay tuned, let's see if we can go get the scrub jay today. I'm gonna head up the hill and see if I can capture the scrub jay today. I've come back here several times over the last several weeks, and I've got a pretty good idea about which birds hang out in which areas. And last time I was here, I found a really good spot to hide and find the scrub jays. So I'm gonna see if I can get closer to them today, so stay tuned. I'm not sure what bird that is, but it's a bird of prey of some sort, and he doesn't seem to mind me being here, so I'm just going to hang out for a little bit. There's this woodpecker going back and forth between these two trees. Seems to be grabbing stuff from this tree and bringing it back to the other tree. Two or three acorn woodpeckers that were trying to forage in that tree, and then there was 2 or 3 scrub jays that were also trying to forage there, and the woodpeckers did not like the scrub jays being there, and the scrub jays were really ornery about it. So it's a cool thing. I hope the camera picked it up, what just happened there. I want to thank you for watching this video. Sorry the audio had to be voiced over. Looking forward to a new microphone on the next one.